Hello, STEM friends. We talk about the engineering design process and how important it is to improve your design after you test it. Well, I love when problems arise that create solutions that are better than the original plan. This is great, Air Bazooka. It works. I like it. Boom! But it's hard for younger students to hold and pull at the same time. So two of them are holding it while one of them pulls. I was going to try and attach this to something on the table, and then I remembered, oh my gosh, it's so much simpler than that. All you need is an empty cardboard box. You just put a hole in one end, and then I taped up the edges. You don't have to tape the edges. I actually tried it before I taped it and it worked fine, but I just thought it looked cooler. And I put hands to show where your hands need to be in the middle. I tried it as a fist, didn't work as well. It works better as a hand on both sides. Here's my target that goes down here. And I'm just gonna hit it with medium force. How cool is that? Now, obviously, if I hit it too hard, I'm gonna break the box, and that's not fun for everybody else. So please be respectful of the box and hit it with medium. All right, it's not about how hard you hit, it's about how straight you shoot. All right, she's lined up, go for it. Boom, beautiful, nice job. This is more powerful than I thought. You can actually knock over regular plastic cups with this, but I find the styrofoam is just easier because it's lighter. We have improved the Air Blaster station by hanging these ghosts, and the fishing line is so thin you can barely see it, and I put them far apart on purpose. If you're tall enough to see the top, you can point this arrow at any of these three cups and shoot just the one ghost with the Air Blaster, or aim for the middle and try and get all three. To see more of my videos about smoke rings, vortex cannons, and to see the recent SpaceX chopsticks catch, please go to bakerstemlab.org.